Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. On the inside we got a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back, fold down third row seats. Coming around back we've got a trailer hitch, our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all season and regular floor mats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. A burl walnut wood trim. This one does come with the parking assist package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Navigation. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS 450 has 27,909 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.